Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everybody. Dobro jutro, moja Sloveni people. How are you all? Let's go with me to show you something new again today. Are you ready, guys? So let's go with me. अच्छा यार गाइस, मैं हूँ एक बहुत ही मेरे इसे कहूँगा मैं दोस्त गुलाम सरवर भाई के इनकी रेफरेंस के थ्रू मुझे यहाँ आना पड़ा। ये मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, आज से बहुत अच्छे मेरे दोस्त। कैन यू प्लीज़ रिपीट योर कंप्लीट नेम?
Santos Rupa Kriti.
संतोष रूपा केती। अच्छा, मैं इनके पास आया हूँ स्पेशली, ये आए हैं 2017 में एज अ स्टूडेंट इन स्लोवेनिया। तो आज मैं इनके साथ डिटेल तो नहीं कर सकता ज़्यादा, लेकिन इन्फॉर्मेशन पाकिस्तानियों के लिए और इंडिया से जो मेरे दो भाई थे, उन्होंने मुझे कांटेक्ट किया था इंस्टाग्राम पे कि स्टूडेंट्स की लाइफ कैसी है यहाँ पे। तो इनके साथ मैं सेशन रखूँगा अभी थोड़ी देर में, तो आप उसको ज़रूर चेक कीजिएगा। होपफुली आप सबके लिए बड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन होगी उसके अंदर। सी या Okay guys, this is me Mohammad Amir. You know me every day, you see my this face every day. So meet this guy from
Nepal.
Nepal.
I'm
His
Santos.
name is
Santos.
Santos. Santos, I would like you to share with the people your experience being in Slovenia since from 2017 till now.
Okay, so I came to Slovenia back in 2016, and it's been a really nice experience living in Slovenia with such an amazing people. I came here for the studies. I completed my studies, and right now I'm working. So everything is going good. The country is nice, people are nice, so I suggest everyone to visit Slovenia.
That's good.
Yeah.
How did you get your visa from your own country? What was the process being a student?
Yeah, actually my country doesn't have Slovenian embassy, so I needed to go to India to
India?
yeah,
Delhi, right?
yeah, to take my visa. And,
Okay.
all the processes were done in India, so it was pretty much difficult. Yeah, if you don't have any embassy in your
If you
country,
can share
then-
the basic documentation as you were submitted there.
well, it's been a long time, and I don't remember all the documentation, but it's
Okay.
still, yeah, at first you need to have your like offer letter from the university, and then you can make other documentation in your country. Like, in my case, my consultancy told everything about the documentation, so it was not so worse. As far as I remember, I made documentation for like, I don't know, for my financial status
Okay.
and my income source. It was done by my parents, so they are pretty much tied in these sectors.
Okay, that's awesome. And other things also I wanted to share with especially with the Pakistani community and also with the Indians. I hope your country people also will see this. I hope.
Okay.
Even from Bangladesh, from Afghanistan, most of student wants me to share the experience of students who are already in this country. So tell them about the job opportunity. If someone came from Pakistan, from India, from Bangladesh, even from Nepal.
Well, regarding the job, if you have like huge expectation of earning so much money and sending back to your family, back in your home country, then it's gonna be the difficult task, because if you are in a student visa, you need to maintain your studies as well as you need to work. Thankfully, we don't have any, I don't know, limited hours in Slovenia, so you can work as much as you want. And when I came in 2016, I was like working, I don't know, 8 hours or maybe more every day, and still it was difficult for me to survive. So for the second year, my parents sent me the tuition fees, which I paid. I don't know.
So
this
that
was-
fees you did not manage from your job, which
No,
you was been
no.
already doing in
no,
Slovenia.
I said that's impossible.
Wow. I heard many students' stories. Most of them, like if I tell you the experience of the Germany students,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
As they come as a student here, some of find the job. You know, they bear the cost by their own. They can even send the money to the family,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And they can even save for their education.
Yeah, but in the case of Slovenia, I don't think so. until you were so hardworking and you were like you were totally motivated to work.
I see.
It's really difficult, you know, because I already been through that phase and I
Mhm.
tried, but it was
Mhm.
totally difficult. And if you are, especially if you are in engineering education, so you need to study hard.
Mhm.
Otherwise, it will hamper your studies.
Uh-huh.
So this is like totally not doable, I think.
Uh-huh. I got it. I got it. So what do you do now? Share your experience for right of the moment
Uh-huh.
in these days.
Right now, I'm working in an automotive industry
Mm-hmm.
as a quality engineer.
Okay.
So, as a quality engineer, I'm checking all the, I don't know, maintaining the quality as per the ISO standards
Mm-hmm.
in my company.
Mm-hmm.
We are working for Mercedes-Benz
Mm-hmm.
and some of the renowned brands like BMW.
Nice.
So basically, right now, it's a good job for me and it's a good opportunity. They are sending me to different countries and
Nice.
for the training, which is
Uh-huh.
like polishing my career.
Okay.
And obviously, I can looking forward. I'm looking forward for the better future.
Mm-hmm. I understand. So do you happy with this job which you are doing right now in
Mm.
Slovenia in this company?
Sorry?
Do you happy with this job
Yeah.
currently which you are doing?
Yeah, I'm happy. Right now, I'm getting a good experience. So getting an experience,
Mm-hmm.
getting exposures.
That's good.
It's like totally, you know, it can make your career good.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm totally happy right now. Though I'm not happy with the payment,
Uh-huh.
like I
Uh-huh.
said it before,
I know. Uh-huh.
it's not a good payment, but still I'm polishing my career, so it's good.
If it this possible for you,
Mm-hmm.
if you feel comfortable,
Yeah.
would you like to share with the people the payment which you are getting? If you are giving some clue how much you are getting in this designation in this company.
Yeah, actually, it's the rule that I cannot say the payment, but I
Right,
can
uh-huh,
I can
I
still
understand.
say that
Mm-hmm.
it's like it doesn't go above 1,500 and
Uh-huh.
it's not less than 1,000. So you can just
So do you do also the overtime in this company or not? Or you doing the like proper hours like 8 hours and that's it?
I don't know. I'm a lazy type of person, so I'm doing like normal hours.
Uh-huh. Okay. I got it. So what do you suggest to the people who wants to come as a student,
Mm-hmm.
especially in Slovenia,
Yeah,
from Pakistan, from India,
yeah.
from Bangladesh, from Afghanistan, even from your own country? What do you suggest to these students
Mm-hmm.
before they come in this country? What would you like to say to them?
Yeah, if you have huge expectation
Why
regarding
I'm asking this question because you already experienced
yeah,
here, you know,
yeah,
in the good time.
yeah.
So through your experience, what would you like to say to them?
Okay, so you know expectations always hurt. So
Uh-huh.
if you have huge expectation, then you should be trying for another country.
Mm-hmm.
But if you really want to enjoy the nature, enjoy the beauty of Slovenia, enjoy the friendly people,
Mm-hmm.
then you must visit Slovenia. And the education system in Slovenia is really, I don't know, it's really practical. It's
Mhm.
good,
Mm-hmm.
and it can make you a perfect person. Whatever
Uh-huh.
you do in your career, you can be perfect. So I recommend everyone to come to Slovenia, but
Mm-hmm.
but please without any expectations.
And tell one thing more to the people. The most of youngers are crazy for the girls in Slovenia.
Yeah, yeah, because Slovenia, everybody says that Slovenia.
If I'm not wrong, being honest,
Mhm.
what do you think the beauty in Slovenia, as I feel?
Yeah, they're beautiful.
They are beautiful, right?
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Because I heard from many people, especially in Slovenia, they get the most beauty, not in other European country, you know.
Yeah, I heard this. I heard about
Yeah, right?
Slovenia
Uh-huh.
as well as Latvia and Estonia.
Uh-huh.
So
I got it.
yeah, people
that's-
are saying I don't know. It's their perception. So
Mhm. I
it
know.
depends.
Mm-hmm.
Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So
Exactly. That's true. Well, I must say thank you so much for your time, right? And that you share this experience with these people. So, guys, if you have still any question, right? So put the question in the comment section. So with that question, I'll keep the other session with my friend again, right? So for the moment, for now, let us to go because I have to go to home. He wants to sleep, maybe he tired. One of my friend already there, Ghulam Sarwar. He's already bored. There he is. There he is. There he is. So we'll see you guys next time again.
Okay.
We'll keep one more session next time with another topic.
Okay,
What
so
do you think?
It's my pleasure to be in your vlog.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure also to
Again.
being with you. I'll put the Instagram of him, right? If someone wants to get in touch with him, get to him.
Yeah.
Okay? So take care of yourself, guys. We'll see you again. Okay? There's Ghulam Sarwar. What would you
Yes.
like to say?
Okay, and now Christmas and Slovenia, everybody happy or enjoy New Year. Okay, good. Thank you so much.
That's an important thing to us. Give Christmas is coming. you know.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yes, everyone in advance. Merry Christmas to everyone. So take care of yourself, guys. We'll see you again.
See you. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Hopefully, you like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon for more updates and comments below. We'll see you tomorrow. कल मेरा प्लान है ऑस्ट्रिया फ्रैगनफर्ट जाने का, तो वहाँ पे भी कुछ स्टूडेंट हैं, दोस्त यार हैं, उनसे मैं मिलूँगा. ऑस्ट्रिया भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा, फ्रैगनफर्ट कैसी जगह है, आप लोग को मज़ा आएगा, ज़रूर देखिएगा. तो विल सी यू टुमारो एवरीवन. टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ. सी या. बाय बाय. Si vidimo jutro.